Hello people, as you all know, my name is Kuldeep, and if you do not know, my name is Kuldeep. So this video is going to be very interesting, especially for me because I'm shooting this whole video in English for the first time and I just want to be comfortable with the language in front of the camera. So I thought let's make a video and put it on my socials. Maybe it was not a great idea, but who knows. So today I'm gonna talk about my boring life. I'll just give some glimpses of my life to all of you. So this video is going to be in 3 parts. At first we will talk about the most funny aspect of my life, which is my education. Then we will move on to the most serious part, which is my profession. And the last but not the least part is going to be the most interesting one, which is about my interests. And according to me, if you are not enough aware about your interests, especially in 21st century, you are not an evolved human being, my friend. So currently while I'm making this video, I'm 20 years, 6 months and few days old. But forget about that. Now let's talk about the most shitty thing, which is the Indian education system. So I want to tell you something. If you do not know, that there are only 2 things which is extremely bad in Indian education system. The first one is education and the second one is the system. And if I tell you about my education, I am currently pursuing bachelor's in science and literally planning to drop out from there. So in these 2 years, I've come to know that I'm not here to memorize scientific theories and write them down in the exams for absolute no reason. So I think I can't handle it anymore. Okay, let's concentrate on the most serious part, which is my profession. So if you ask me what do I do for a living, I'll just say that we are Indians and we have parents. So do we have to do something for a living? We do not have to pay our bills, we have free food and our parents' big house. Jokes apart, if I talk about my profession, I am trying to run a media company mainly based on digital marketing, where we provide social media advertisement, brand consultancy, and we are coming up with influencer marketing soon. Other than this, I am working on a YouTube channel where we upload business, entrepreneurship, startup, career guidance, and self-help videos. So if you want to check it out, just search Bestart on YouTube. And these are the 2 things I am building right now and looking for profits. Yes, we are not in profits yet, but we will talk about these 2 things completely in a different video. Now let's talk about the most interesting thing. What are my interests, what I love to do, and what is my passion? Do I love the media thing or do I love to shoot and edit videos? Frankly speaking, I'm just exploring the media industry. I won't say that I genuinely love it, but I want to know more about it, and that's it. If I tell you about YouTube, I seriously love to create content and I'm doing it. Now if we talk about my other interests, like what I like else. The first thing would be writing. I genuinely love to write. I write poetries, articles and stories, sometimes in English, mostly in Hindi, but I do not write a daily basis. It depends on my mood. Like I wrote my last poetry 4 months ago maybe. And if I talk about the second one, I love to read. I read mostly about life, entrepreneurship or business or startup and marketing things. Apart from that, I love some other things like spirituality, technology, photography, traveling, astronomy, consulting people and building startups. If you have seen this video till here, just share it on your Instagram story and tag me. Bye bye, see you in the next one.